Hello everyone, back at it again with the one and only Dyan'van Rebecca. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing and please subscribe to the channel. It's a different day, a different video. We're back at it again with the big Xhosa with Ilanga. Ilanga featuring SOS, which is him. The song is produced by Makwa beats. So without wasting any time, I'm gonna give you what you're looking for, and that's a reaction to the song. So let's get it. First, let's read this.
Hayi ke uziphathe kakuhle apho eRhawutini uyazi into ozoyenza.
That is mother. He's probably
Bangishonelwa lilanga zungikhumbule ngiyakuthanda ngaleli ayiniyazama Thixo uzugcina umama. Are you proud of me? Ngoba yintoni oyidingayo, you can count on me. Dayala khona lula, don't cry my heart's so low.
Guys, this is a different beat Xhosa. He's dabbing into a different level of music. Here he's talking about him going to Johannesburg, the city of gold, to look for to try and earn a living so he can support his mother and sisters. As a black child, I feel like as a black child coming from poverty, from a disadvantaged area, that's what we all strive for. We strive for one day to be able to take care of our parents. Because from the day that we're born to whenever we live in our parents' houses, they have been taking care of us. How long are you going to wait and be able to tell your parents, you know what, mom, dad, now's the time for you to retire. Just stay home. I'll take care of everything. Stress-free, because they're not going to live forever. They definitely not going to live forever. So why not be the reason that your parents are happy at the end of the day? Why don't you be that guy? If that's not your level of thinking right now, probably in your 20s, then I don't know. I don't know what you're working for. Maybe probably you're working for the streets. So you can buy that Remy Martin bottle. So you I don't know. Hi guys. Why am I being emotional, food? Why?
At this young age, bad things is formula. I haven't seen my mother in 3 years. All is paining me, so much is hurting me. I cry inside you.
He hasn't seen his mother in 3 years. That shit is paining him. It's not like he doesn't want to see his parents, but it's difficult to go out into the world and say you're going to work so you can support your family, then come home empty-handed. I bet the 3 years he hasn't seen his mother, he's been grinding. The big Xhosa thingy, marketing strategy. So we can start getting into where his heart is, where the music is, where the guap is. Let's go back a little. Aye, guys.
Paining me, so much is hurting me. I cry inside, you'll never see my tears. Thixo uthongile, jonga iintshaba zam, nazo ndizithokile. Abanomona ngam, jonga abathandile. Bangishonelwa lilanga, zungikhumbule ngiyakuthanda. Ngaleli ayiniyazama, Thixo uzugcina umama. Are you proud of me? Ngoba yintoni oyidingayo, you can count on me. Dayala khona lula, don't cry my heart's so lula. I ain't never had it easy. Back in school, they used to tease me. They were not seeing my vision, but a few of them were believing. Fuck school, I chose the music. I told them that I'ma do it. It was rough, but I faced the music. They doubted me and I proved it. Yeah, I set this bitch on fire. It got lit when I arrived. Never thought I'd be alive. It was bad, but I survived. Could have ended.
Talk your shit, Xhosa. Talk your shit. This is grown man bars right here. If you're looking for throw that ass back for me so I can hit it from here, get the fuck out of here. This is grown man bars right here. This dude is practically breaking down in front of us, telling us why he does this. While you are laughing, Xhosa, cloud chaser. Get the fuck out of here with the cloud chaser shit. Now the dude is giving you what we call music. If you're not gonna listen to this, if you're gonna think this is whack, I don't know. Lost cause, boy. Ay.
Now I arrived, never thought I'd be alive. It was bad, but I survived. Could have ended up in jail. I got friends behind that cell. I got friends up in that grave. I done prayed for better days. I done seen some better days. Hope it peaks some better ways. Could have been me, but I'm here. I think I'm blessed. Oh Lord, no longer stressed. Oh Lord, giving them stress. Oh Lord, I'm so mellow.
How that beat goes up. It goes up with me, and you reach a certain climax. You're like, shit. And his words, the way they sync with the song, I feel like I'm listening to a motivational quote. There's those guys, those are reverends saying, you guys watch? I don't know their names. I don't watch motivational quotes or motivational videos. But those guys, I felt motivated right there. Because I felt in his shoes. I felt like as a black child, I understand what he's talking about. Because where I'm at the moment, I feel like I should have that mentality. And I do have it. Hopefully one day, whatever my parents desire, they're going to get it through me without having to work for it.
You can count on me. Guys, I can't reload. Don't cry, mama, so low.
This is literally one of the best. This is literally one of the best songs I've heard in a while. This is one of the best songs I've heard in a while. Probably because I relate to it. Who would have thought the guy who dropped Ninyile, the guy you guys call a gimmick, you go a cloud chaser, would drop something like this? This is on a different level. This is like gold tier shit. That's what I would call it. Guys, music sometimes. Like, yes, collab. They did say the revolution would not be televised, but for your sake, it's getting YouTubed. Yeah,